Hi everyone, Ken Creatives here. Today, I will teach you how to animate in Premiere Pro. First, go to your Effects tab and search for Transform. Drag it into your video timeline. I usually place it here. Next, go to your Effects Control panel, scroll down, and find Transform. Uncheck the Use Composition box. Set the shutter angle to around 360 and change the sampling to bicubic. Now let's add a keyframe for the position. Just follow my lead. You can adjust the duration of the animation according to your preferences. To make the animation smooth, select the two keyframes, right-click, select Temporal Interpolation and click Ease In. Click the arrow down and adjust the slider based on what you want. And that's it. I hope you all learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more upcoming tutorials.